video I'm doing favorites video. I haven't done this like in months. I'm trying to do favorite for like every 3 months because I feel like every month is not enough product that I talk about, so I'm just gonna like wait until 3 months and I will tell you what my favorite is. So this favorite is for January, February and March. So yeah, let's just get started, and I wanna start with the beauty like always. Okay, for the beauty section, I don't have much other than eyeshadow palette. I don't know if you know, but I'm obsessed with eyeshadow palette. Like, I like to play with eyeshadow instead of face. I actually have one skincare that I want to talk about because I'm obsessed with this. Okay, this is the Oils of Life by the Body Shop. This is the 30ml one. I bought the bigger size as well because I'm obsessed with this. I use this every morning and every night. This smells so good. Like, when you apply it, you will feel calm, if you know what I mean. The scent of this, it just makes me calm. I use 5 drops in the morning and I use about 7 drops at night. So yeah. Okay, now let's get into the eyeshadow palette. First thing that I want to talk about is the Smoky palette by Zoifa. Oh my god, it's so good. It has bunch of matte eyeshadow, so I like to use it, and I'm obsessed with the color. My favorite color, as you can tell, is this color. This is the perfect pink. Like, I'm obsessed with this palette. I use this almost every day because it has bunch of matte that I want to use on my eye. Another matte eyeshadow that I've been loving is this Becca Ombre Nudes palette. I feel like this is everyone's palette. Like, this is essential. It has a lot of matte and it has gradient color. If you're new in the eyeshadow and you cannot blend, you can just build up the color by light to dark, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I really like this palette, and I like to use the middle color as my nose contour because I feel like it's cool tone enough so it doesn't look weird. I don't use that right now because I'm lazy. Okay, now the next palette that I want to talk about, this old palette, this Stila in the Garden palette. I love this. I feel like this is spring and summer palette if you wanna have like some fun with your eyeshadow, and most of this eyeshadow is metallic. The metallic shade is just so pretty. This honey is what's on my lip right now. Like, it's so pretty. Like, when you apply it, you will have full coverage, if you know what I mean. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this. Okay, the next palette that I want to talk about is this Naked palette. This is like the OG palette. Like, this is the first palette that I bought when I first started makeup, and it looks like this. If you don't know what's inside, I feel like everyone already know what's inside this, but I'm obsessed with this for like 3 months. I feel like this is a classic and essential. I feel like the color of it is just so good. The next palette is everyone's favorite as well. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Pearl palette. I grabbed this a lot these 3 months as well. I don't know why. I just feel like I wanna use it again and again and again. I still have the old packaging. The shade name is not engraved in this palette. It's still on this thing. I wanna buy a new one, but I feel like I haven't used this palette enough, so yeah, I will still use this. And the next palette that I wanna talk about is Naturally Pretty palette. I did 3 looks 1 palette with this palette. The formula is just so buttery. I hate to say this word, but it's so buttery. I love this palette so much. When I see this on YouTube, like everyone raving about this palette, I feel like what's good in that palette, it doesn't look good, if you know what I mean. The packaging is so basic, but the formula is just so good. When you apply it, it feels like blending itself. You don't need much effort to blend it. So I love this palette so much, and the color of it is so pretty. If you like this color, you will need this palette because the formula is just so good. I love the Naturally Pretty Romantic as well. Okay, the next palette that I want to mention is this Nude Dude palette by The Balm. I use this mostly on January, and it has plummy rosy shade, and it's so pretty. If you love this kind of shade, you will need this because the formula is just so good as well. The last palette that I want to mention is this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm obsessed with this. Like, I use this almost every day, and it smells so strong. It's even stronger than the chocolate bar palette. I can smell it from this far away, and when you apply it on your eyes, I feel like I taste the peach. Like, my mouth is like tasted the peach. And it has the color of what I've been looking for. This purple is just so pretty, and this peach shade is just so cute. And this green is actually really good on the lid. I've tried this on 3-1 palette and I love it. So yeah, that's it for the beauty section. Let's get into the music. Okay, for the music, I've been listening to Camila Cabello's album. I love all of them. My favorite probably is Into It and She Loves Control. All these years, I love all of them. So yeah, I'm obsessed with Camila album. I feel like I'm a proud mama because I love her since Fifth Harmony. Like, I'm obsessed with her. The next album that I want to talk about is Revival by Eminem. Oh my god. Can you tell that I'm obsessed with Eminem? Like, oh, I have the biggest crush on Eminem. Like, I love Marshall so much, and this album is just what I've been waiting for, like 2013. It's like dream come true, if you know what I mean. Like, I love him. Alright, I want to talk about songs right now. I love this Bear Miller songs called Slut. I love this song. I feel like every woman has to hear this song. It's empowering and I love it so much. Oh, I have another album that I want to talk about. It is Black Panther soundtrack album. I'm obsessed with Black Panther movies, and I'm obsessed with the songs. I listen to it like over and over again. I feel like just listening to the soundtrack, it makes me feel like I see the movie again, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm obsessed with the soundtrack of Black Panther. So that is it for the music. Let's get into the movies and TV series. First series that I want to talk about is Victorious. I rewatched all of the season and I'm obsessed all over again with Victorious. I feel like the Victorious is like not finished yet, but they don't do it again. I feel like they need to do the finale or something. I need that. So yeah, I'm obsessed with Victorious. Along with that, I'm obsessed with Sam and Cat. I love Ariana Grande so much. Like, I feel like Sam and Cat series is kind of series that you will watch it and you will fall in love again and again. Even though you rewatch all over again, you will love it again. The next series is actually anime. This is called Cardcaptor Sakura. Oh my god, this is my childhood anime. Like, they finished it a long time ago. They finished this anime in like 2000 or 2001, I forgot. But they bring it back with the new season. Like, oh my god, I feel like I'm blown away. I'm so happy. Like, my childhood anime is coming back. Oh my god. I'm crying when I see the first episode. Like, if you haven't watched this anime called Cardcaptor Sakura, you have to watch it. I don't care, you have to watch it. Okay, the next series is The Exorcist. Oh my god. Okay, they made season 2 for this series and I'm so happy. I feel like this season 2 is deeper than season 1 and they need to make season 3, season 4 and season 5. I don't know. I love this series. I wanna see more of this priest journey. They need to create season 3. Like, oh my god. Oh, don't cancel it. Okay, now let's get into the movies. First movie that I want to talk about is Black Panther. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this Black Panthers. I've never obsessed with these heroes except Hawkeye. I love Hawkeye so much. I feel like they need to make his solo movies, if you know what I mean. And I wanna know his story. I wanna know everything about Hawkeye. And this Black Panther is come close to Hawkeye. I love Black Panther movies so much, and I feel like the soundtrack is what makes this movie really good. All of the people is just so gorgeous. I'm obsessed with T'Challa. Fun fact, I hate Black Panther in Captain America. I don't know why. I feel like he's so creepy in Captain America. Black Panther is my favorite hero right now. Oh my god, I love him. I love Chadwick Boseman as well. I'm obsessed with him. He's so hot. The next movie is The Commuter. This is Liam Neeson movie. I love Liam Neeson. I will watch every Liam Neeson's movie, so this is one of them, and I'm obsessed with this movie. I feel like you cannot guess the end of this movie, and throughout this movie you will feel what the heck, if you know what I mean. That's what I feel when I see this movie, and I love the story. I love everything about Liam Neeson's movie. Liam Neeson is my favorite actor. Okay, the next movie is Winchester. This movie is so bad yet so good, if you know what I mean. I love this movie so much because there's a real Winchester's house. They really build up the house until the wife is dead. It's so creepy. I feel like watching one time is not enough. So yeah, I forgot to mention this series. This is called Marvel Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. I started to watch it a few weeks ago, and I'm obsessed. So this is for the movie slash series. Let's get into the food. Okay, for food I don't have much, but I love lemon infused water. I'm obsessed with the taste of it. I need to drink lemon infused water all the time, and I feel so good after drinking this lemon infused water. So yeah, that's my favorite for the food. Let's get into the random thing. Okay, I bought this laptop. This is HP laptop. You can touch the screen, and you can do this as well. I have no story behind that. My cat is pissing all over my laptop. I hate that cat, but I love that cat. So yeah, that's my favorite for this random thing. So that's it for this 3 months favorite. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week, or maybe more. So yeah, bye guys, see you next video.